Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share some crafts I created for LYLO Crafts. She's having a giveaway, you guys, and it's based on a point system. I will link all of her information down below so that you can watch the video and see what you can do to gain points and enter her giveaway. So this is for Raina, LYLO Crafts, and look down in the description box for her link. So for this challenge, I created Raina an ATC card, and I just think it came out really, really cute, you guys. This is what it looks like. Beautiful pattern paper, and then I cut out with the Cricut this hot air balloon, added bling and little flat back pearls, and then this is a tiny piece of some trim, and I hid a little butterfly back there, and I really think it's adorable. And then my information's all in the back here. The Cricut printed that out, and that is my ATC. Here's the pair of embellishments that I created. They're little shaker mason jars, and I just have them on this paper here with a glue dot so she could easily remove them. And then I added a little sentiment and joy and yay. I stamped that out. Added this trim here, and then a little dangly, and of course a little twine. What is a mason jar without twine? And the bling in the middle. So that's how these turned out, and I used this scrap paper so she could reuse this for something, but I wanted them to show up nice on the white paper. And then I used a piece of cellophane from an old sticker pack, and I stitched it up around the sides here and the bottom, and then I just have a simple bag topper to just top the whole thing off. So that is what I created for Raina, you guys. I hope that she enjoys it. Let me know what you think of my creations. And as always, I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.